These machines don't move dirt, they rewrite the size chart. First up, the largest excavator, the Bagger 288. It digs like a skyscraper, moving thousands of tons daily. Next, the biggest rock carrier, purpose-built haulers. They swallow boulders whole, hauling hundreds of tons across open pits. And topping the list, the largest earth-moving truck, Bell Az 757 a beast with a payload over 450 tons. That's more than 200 cars in one load. Picture an excavator the size of a house, a carrier like a rolling island, and a dump truck that needs its own zip code. Want more Mega Machine mind blowers? Hit follow for giant gear and jaw-dropping stats.